How to install an LG electric dryer. LG makes it easy to properly install and set up your new electric dryer. We'll take you through the step-by-step process so you can start using the many features your LG dryer has to offer. Make sure to choose a location with a proper exhaust system, a grounded electrical outlet located within 2 feet, a level floor with a maximum slope of 1 inch, and enough clearance. Proper venting is important to maximize drying performance and reduce condensation and lint buildup in the ductwork. Use a 4-inch rigid or semi-rigid duct to connect the dryer to the home exhaust system. Do not use vinyl or foil ducts. The exhaust duct should be as short as possible and use as few elbow joints as possible. Use foil tape on all duct joints. Connect the dryer to the vent and adjust the connection if necessary. Add foil tape to the joints. Place a level across the top of the dryer and raise or lower the leveling feet until the dryer is level from side to side and front to back. Connecting your electric dryer. Before we begin this section, you will need a pair of working gloves, a Phillips screwdriver, a strain relief, and a 3-wire or 4-wire 240-volt power cord. Check your existing outlet to correctly choose which cord you will need. If required, check your local housing code for further information. Place the unit where it is to be installed, leaving the back exposed. Make sure the cord is not plugged in and turn the breaker off that connects to your laundry outlet. 3-wire installation. If your washer uses a 3-wire power cord, follow these steps for your dryer. On the dryer, remove the screw holding the terminal block access cover and pull off the access cover. Remove the screws from the bottom row on the terminals. Leave the green ground screw and wire in place. Insert a strain relief into the power cord pass-through hole. Then, thread the 3-wire power cord through the strain relief. A cord strain relief is required to prevent accidentally pulling the cord off the unit. With the 3 screws removed earlier, attach the left wire to the left terminal, the center wire to the center terminal, and the right wire to the right terminal. Tighten the screws securely and make sure there is no gap or slack. Please note that the right or left wire can attach to either the red or black terminal. Just make sure that the center wire attaches to the center terminal. Screw the access cover back into place and plug in the dryer and turn the breaker on. 4-wire installation. If your washer uses a 4-wire power cord, follow these steps for your dryer. On the dryer, remove the screw holding the terminal block access cover on the upper back of the dryer and pull off the access cover. Remove the screws from the bottom row on the terminals. Also remove the green ground screw. Insert a strain relief into the power cord pass-through hole. Then, thread the 4-wire power cord through the strain relief. A cord strain relief is required to prevent accidentally pulling the cord off the unit. With the 3 screws removed earlier, attach each colored wire to its corresponding terminal block. When connecting wires to the center terminal, place the white neutral wire of the machine below the white neutral wire of the cord. Also make sure to attach the 4th green wire of the cord with the green ground screw. Tighten the screws securely and make sure there is no gap or slack. Screw the access cover back into place and plug in the dryer and turn the breaker on. Installation tests. After installing your dryer, we recommend that you use a simple installation test to make sure the condition of the exhaust system is adequate for proper operation. Make sure that your dryer is empty and cool before starting this test. If not, use the air dry cycle to reduce the interior temperature. While the dryer is turned off, press the power button and quickly tap the temp and signal buttons at the same time until INS appears in the display. Once the display shows INS, press the Start/Pause button. The dryer will start the test, which will run for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Do not interrupt the test cycle, as this could cause inaccurate results. During the test cycle, monitor the FlowSense display on the control panel. If no bars are displayed by the time the cycle ends, the exhaust system is okay. If the exhaust system is severely restricted, the display will show 4 bars. In this case, have your exhaust system checked immediately before continuing use. If you see a TE1, TE2, or HS error message, turn off the dryer and request a repair service. If you see a PS, PF, or NP error message, this means that your dryer is not receiving adequate power or was not installed properly. Check to see that the power cord is installed properly. Also, try resetting your circuit breaker or replacing the fuse. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.